Hey guys, we received this Wi-Fi 6 wireless router AX3000 dual band. So this is the LAN cable for gigabits ports and with a speed connectivity. So let's open the box and see. So this is the accessory box with the LAN cable, power adapter, and this is the main router. So everything is there, and there's antennas that you have to just open it up. There are one or two additional ones here. I will just open this up. But before that, I will just show you this is the power adapter thing. This is the LAN thing. So these are the more additional router antennas. So you can see a lot of antennas here. And then this is our the USB thing here. And then the power adapter, the reset button, and the LAN cable. So one is the WAN, another is the LAN extenders. So I just put it the power adapter and it will just starting as you can see it here. So I just put it with the modem. So I have a internet of like 200 Mbps and I will just try to check the speed with the speed net. So the with the Wi-Fi, I will just say like through this go button with the speed test website and you can see like the connectivity. So I connected this with the Wi-Fi here and then I'm just trying to test. So this is great like for web browsing or anything for extension and you can just do with this one Wi-Fi name and then it will connect. So this have both 2.4 and 5 gigahertz speeds and really works well. You can see all the indicators on the top. A really nice wireless router for your daily work.